Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate sales processes with Salesforce easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin automating sales processes with Salesforce, log into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the Salesforce platform's homepage. Locate the Setup Gear icon in the top right corner. Click on the gear icon to open the Setup menu. In the Quick Find box on the left, type Process Builder. Select Process Builder from the drop-down list. Click on the New button to create a new process. Give your process a name that reflects its purpose. Optionally, add a description for better clarity on its function. Choose the option to start the process when a record changes. Select the object you want to automate, such as Opportunity. Click the Add Object button to proceed. Define the criteria for your process by clicking Add Criteria. Enter a name for your criteria and specify the conditions. Decide whether to execute the process only if the conditions are met. Click Save to confirm your criteria settings. Next, add an action by clicking Add Action. Choose the type of action you want, such as Update Records. Select the records you wish to update based on your defined criteria. Specify the fields you want to update and the new values. Once everything is set, click Save to store your action. If you have additional actions, repeat the process as needed. Review your entire process flow for accuracy. When you're satisfied, click on the Activate button to enable the process. Now, your sales process automation is ready to go. To test the functionality, create a test record that meets your criteria. Check to see if the expected actions are performed correctly. Adjust any settings as necessary based on your testing feedback. That's how you can easily automate sales processes using Salesforce. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.